Today I have the Samsung Odyssey G50SF OLED with Call of Duty, showcasing below casual tier gameplay. Don't make fun of me, friends. Hey, at least I'm trying. With this beautiful panel of QD OLED technology at 1440p 180Hz. One of the most affordable gaming monitors on the market today. 200 nits SDR, 400 nits in HDR with a glare-free matte coating. The best impactful settings will be on screen, so if you choose this monitor, you can make it come alive with the amazing visuals. When I state here color 22 to 28, it's a personal preference. You pick the one that you like. Same thing with HDR tone mapping, static or active. Sometimes certain games look different, so it's up to you, but I usually keep it on active. And of course, contrast enhancer, low or high. I usually like leaving it on low, but if you want more impact, high is the way to go. Like I said before, friends, this is the most affordable gaming monitor on the market today at $299. It's amazing we can get these monitors at these amazing prices. And as you can see, Call of Duty looks amazing on this monitor. From dark scenes to light scenes, meaning scenes in the daytime or any kind of screen dimming. And I have this set out on max. Usually QD OLED doesn't exhibit that kind of, I would say, dimming that would annoy, not like other LG OLEDs. With those panels, QD OLED is usually safe from that. Though this is a low brightness monitor compared to other monitors like the G6 or G8. So that's why maybe we're not seeing those dimming on this panel, because it's already low compared to the others. But it's high enough, in a sense, to give you that impact and to make you not regret your monitor. This is going to be a silent must buy. This is going to be a hit. And at these prices, you cannot lose. Just know this is a low brightness monitor in SDR mode. Thankfully, in HDR is what you're seeing here. It does make this monitor come alive, and I'm really happy with it. And that's why I'm showcasing it, because I think you'll be happy with it too. Anyway, it's time to game with Call of Duty on the Samsung Odyssey G50SF OLED. Let's see if I can get better than a casual.
Eat shit. Cluster thrown.
Authorizing skewer flight. Enemy.
Grenade out. Enemy using shot charge. Body dropped. Circle closed. Skewer link detected.
Richardson releasing Deadeye drone.
Another ghost. Stacking bodies. They're on.
Located enemy.
Ordering skewer launch on my mark.
Hostile cluster. Get down. Ten kill string.
Enemy mover.
Taking the shot.
Release skewer on mission. Moving with scalpel.
Dog standing by.
Deadeye going hot.
Release dog on my location. Good eye done. Finding rhythm in the carnage. They're armed. Clean shot. Eyes on enemy cluster grenade.
MTC is running dry. Now or never.
Impact grenade.
Authorizing skewer flight. Richtofen releasing Deadeye drone.
Release
You
skewer
were
on
released
mission.
as tasked.
Triggering scout pulse. Neutralized.
Well done, Sec Team. You're everything the guild stands for.